This week's SOWLE RV Spotlight is a new 2021 Forest River RV Wildwood 36VBDS. This RV is a very unique bunkhouse travel trailer that really caught our attention. Let's start off with specifics on this RV.
The gross vehicle weight rating, which is the maximum weight of the unit when fully loaded on this Wildwood 36VBDS, is 10,115 pounds. It is 38 feet 11 inches long, and it has an 18-foot power awning with adjustable legs in the midsection of the RV. It is equipped with a 40-gallon freshwater tank and a 38-gallon black water tank and a 27 gray water tank.
Now on to the interior floor plan and layout. Let's start at the front of this travel trailer. This travel trailer bunkhouse has a front bunkhouse. What makes this bunkhouse unique is that it has the new Versa queen bed on bottom and Versa bunk beds above. The queen bed can be used as a sofa during the day, which gives it a feel of a very open room. The two bunk beds above this queen bed or sofa are in the L shape as well.
The living room has an entertainment center with a fireplace below. There is also a glass sliding door as the main entry into the living area space in this dual entry RV. Additionally, there is an L-shaped Versa lounge for seating in the living room with massive amounts of tote storage underneath, specifically 5 to fit in the living room dining room combined area.
Right.
This includes 3 under the sofa, behind a drop-down cabinet, and 1 under the bench seating in the dining area. This Versa lounge seating system is amazing. You can remove the back of the seating in the booth dinette and create a huge amount of sleeping space with that area that spreads all the way down through the living room lounger. In other words, the entire length of that slide out.
Right.
Speaking of the kitchen dinette, there is a nice sized pantry next to the dinette. There is also an oversized 10.7 cubic foot residential refrigerator, along with all of your other kitchen needs, including an oven with stovetop, microwave, and an L-shaped countertop with a double sink.
The walk-through bathroom is just off the kitchen area with a walk-in shower on one side, and then the toilet and sink are on the other side. There are 4 cabinets of storage in this bathroom. Walking from the kitchen and through the bathroom, next you enter the bedroom.
Like we mentioned earlier, this travel trailer has dual entry doors, the main entry into the living room and a second into the bedroom. The bedroom also has a nice sized closet and storage area with 2 doors under the TV area. There's a queen bed with end tables on either side along with USB charging.
Nice. So now we're going to tell you what we like about it and what we didn't really care for so much. I wish there was a front window in this RV bunkhouse.
I don't like the fact it doesn't have an outdoor kitchen. It's not necessary, but I really like my outdoor kitchen. It makes it nice for cooking breakfast and dinners and everything.
Even though there's a bunk bed in the front, that front space is too bare. It really needs a window up in front. How about the living room, Mark? How do you feel about that living room?
I like the living room. It gives you a lot of seating space. It just creates a huge couch to where you can have kids and family over.
Right, with that Versa lounge set
Yeah,
up.
that Versa lounge is just something else. Now, for us, it's a little difficult because I know that we both kind of like our rocker recliners and so forth. But that is, if you have a lot of kids and family, that is a nice option with that Versa lounge.
Especially with the totes that go underneath. That I've never seen that before. That's awesome.
Crazy amount of storage because we definitely don't have enough in ours. I mean, I don't know anybody that has an RV that has enough storage, but that would certainly help.
Yeah, and I like the sliding glass doors that you mentioned too. I think that's a great addition to it as well.
Definitely a homey feel with those sliding doors.
Yeah, absolutely.
Now the weight of it, that is something else. You definitely going to need something heavy to pull that with. That is one heck of a heavy trailer, but boy, it gives you a lot of nice options, and I love the openness with that residential refrigerator. Boy, that is nice.
Yeah, and I really like the floor plan in that it still divides the living room from the kitchen, making them separate spaces, and it does that with that L-shaped kitchen counter. And then I like that when I'm washing the dishes, I can also see the TV. That's a big thing for me. I don't like to wash dishes, so if I'm doing it, I want some entertainment too.
I don't blame you there.
Love the dual sinks. I'm not a fan of a single sink, so I do like that. I like the fridge size, the residential fridge, and I love the pantry. I wish we had a pantry in ours.
That is a good sized pantry. We do have a pantry in ours.
It ain't big like that, though. How about the bathroom? What did you think of the bathroom?
Doesn't bother me.
Yeah.
Nothing special.
I like a walk-through bathroom, though, because they tend to give you more space, I think. It just makes the whole area seem much larger. I also love the idea of having dual entry doors. I also like the door on the bedroom closet. I really don't care for sliding doors on a bedroom closet, and this one opens up like a normal door, so I really like that.
So in conclusion of our likes and dislikes about the 2021 36VBDS, I would need an outdoor kitchen. I personally would need somewhere to put my washer and dryer. I don't care for the exterior decor per se, but that's just one of those things, personal preference.
That's true.
Thanks so much for joining us today. As always, SOWLE RV encourages you to safely get out and live and explore the world around you. If you'd like to check out our show notes from today's episode, just go over to SOWLERV.com and click underneath podcast. And make sure you follow us on social media and be sure to hit that subscribe button below.